If your Buick Enclave refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, the issue is often a simple settings conflict rather than a hardware failure. Data shows that 80% of infotainment connectivity problems are related to software handshakes that can be reset in seconds. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back online. Start by inspecting your cable, verifying Siri is active, and checking your phone port for debris that might block a solid connection. Check your screen time restrictions and confirm that CarPlay is explicitly allowed in your iPhone's privacy settings. If settings look correct, perform a full handshake reset by deleting the device profile from both the vehicle and your phone. Most users resolve this at home, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional technician. Half of all connectivity issues are simply bad cables, so test a known good one before assuming your Enclave has a deeper electrical fault. If all else fails, a factory reset of the head unit or checking for a blown infotainment fuse can clear stubborn communication errors. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box to rule out intermittent failures during your daily commute. Remember, if the problem returns after a reset, the cable is likely failing internally and needs a permanent replacement. Thanks for watching. If these steps fixed your connection, hit subscribe for more Buick troubleshooting tips.